In this video, we will start to explore how you can create a drop-down list based on information from one tab and showing the drop-down values in another tab. So let's look at the situation. First of all, we have here our products, and we're selling here a coffee, it's a cafe, and we have matching prices with this. And what we want is we want to have a drop-down list from these items here. However, we want to show the values here, and we want to have the drop-down option here. So how can we do this? Well, very simple. First of all, if you are here on your tabs, and you're probably here on the Home tab, go to the Data tab and make sure you select the cell where you want to have the drop-down list being displayed. In this case, it will be the cell C3 on the Show Value tab. So next, click on Data Validation. And once you selected that, you can see here the options, and we need the validation criteria. And our criteria in this case is a list. Let's select List. And once you did that, you see all options. You can ignore these for now. And you can see here the source. So we need to select the source or where can the drop down, or what are the values of the drop down. So let's get the source. We click on this button here, and then it requires us to select the values. However, these values are on the different tab. So we go to the other tab, we click on here, and what happened now is you can see here equal drop down, indicating that now it understands it needs to go to another tab to get the values. And once here, we can select these, and once we did that, you can see here immediately it selects all these values and enter. All right, so once we did that, you can confirm by saying OK, and there we are. And now let's go back. We jump automatically back to the third tab, which is the Show Value tab, and we can see here now we have a drop down button. Click on this, and you can see here all the options we have. If we would select any other tab, there is no drop down, only on this specific cell. And this is basically how you can do this. If you like videos like this and you'd like to know more about Excel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have questions or you're struggling with this video or something herein, put it down in the comments below, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you.